This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by powering and mounting the unit correctly so audio works reliably. First, charge the Packtalk Edge until the LED is solid green. Then attach the clamp or adhesive mount to your helmet, positioning speakers near your ears and the boom or wired mic toward your mouth. Once done, press and hold the jog dial and center button for about 1.5 seconds to power on. You'll hear a voice prompt. This confirms the device is live and ready for pairing. Next, pair to your phone and other riders so you can use calls, music, and intercom. Enable Bluetooth on your smartphone and open the Sina app to streamline settings. On the Edge, rotate and press the jog dial to enter Bluetooth pairing mode. Find Packtalk Edge on your phone and confirm. For intercom pairing, place both units in intercom pairing mode by holding the jog dial for 3 seconds and follow the voice prompts. This creates a direct link for group chat. To finish setup and keep it working, you'll use simple controls and maintain firmware. Adjust volume by rotating the jog dial, tap the dial to answer or end calls, and long press for voice assistant. These shortcuts keep you focused on the road. Make sure to update firmware through the Sina app when prompted, because updates fix bugs and add improvements. If audio stops, reboot the Edge, repair your phone or riders, and inspect speaker wiring and clamp alignment. This resolves most connection issues fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.